I'm getting few questions from the members who are joining recently in CGI. They have completed their training. Hello everyone, welcome to Musical Engineer. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. So if you have not yet subscribed to Musical Engineer, please go and subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that every time I post a new video, you get the notifications of them. So in this video, I'll be discussing about few points that I'm getting few questions from the members who are joining recently in CGI. They have completed their training and they'll be joining soon. So they're asking me a few questions that I wanted to clear, and that's why I'm making this video. So first thing is, you all are actually confused about joining process and everything. You all are asking me these questions. So I would say that this joining process changes in every phase of joining. So I would rather tell you and suggest you to ask the concerned people and the joining team to clarify all your doubts. List down your doubts at first, like what doubts you have in the joining process, and then you can mail the HR and the joining team about this. And if people are, and if the team is directly contacting you, you just put forward those questions and clarify. So that is one. And second is, you all are asking that after joining, like few people asked me, like you want to change your location. You might have got a different location of your choice. And I will say that as because hybrid is going on, so you don't have to worry much. So you are not directly going to office. So once you just wait for your joining process to be over, and once you join and you are assigned the project, you just request your manager if with your valid reason of relocation, then maybe the manager might understand your problem and also change the location. So don't worry about it. And few queries also I was receiving that you have that issue with that bond and everything. So I would rather say that you ask the concerned HR team or the joining team and clarify your doubts on that, like how you have to proceed and how you have to send all your documents duly signed by you. So you better clarify with them at first, because I'm not the right person to ask all these questions. I can clarify few of the doubts, like general questions that you might be having, and I posted many videos before also, like related to those. So you are welcome to ask me any questions. That is okay. I actually prefer to clarify the doubts that I know 100% and that would in general match with everybody. So and also I ignored the confidential ones. So that is also there. So you are welcome to ask me any questions, but the questions which I don't know, you should rather ask the concerned person and clarify your doubts. So that's it I wanted to say. So all the best and welcome to CGI, and I hope you will be doing great in your career, and all the best. So stay tuned for the next video. Many videos will come after this, like I have started working on them, and I'll be explaining many topics related to technical things. So stay tuned for that. Bye bye. See you in the next video.